Okay, in this problem, points B and D are points of tangency. What do we know about that? That means that they're only going to hit the edge of the circle once, right? Boom, touches and goes. Never hits again. All right, find the value of x. So we've got an x value here and an x value there. We got an expression, it looks like for AB, an expression for the distance of AD. So we're going to find the value of x as well as the length of AB. Okay, so what's important is they tell us that points B and D are points of tangency. The fact that those are points of tangency means they're only going to hit the edge of the circle one time at one point. So when we have 2 points of tangency that meet at another common point, then what we know is the distance from here to here is going to be equivalent, it's going to be the same as the distance from here to here. So 2 tangent lines meeting at the same point outside of the circle tells us that our distances are the same. So algebraically, all we got to do is set this equation up, saying 6x minus 3 is equal to or the same as 4x plus 7. So I'm going to do that for you right now. We're just going to write that out. 6x minus 3, AD, is the same as AB, which is 4x plus 7. Now this just basically becomes a algebra problem where we got to solve it's going to be a multi-step equation. We got to get all our variables to one side. So let's move 4x over to the other side. Opposite of positive 4x, minus 4x. That will get rid of it over here on the right. Whatever you do to the right side, got to do it to the left side. So we're going to take away 4x on the left side, leaving me with 2x. I still have a negative 3 term that I'm going to bring right down. And then I still have a 7 that I'm going to bring down over here. Now it's a 2-step equation. Remember to always get rid of the term that is not attached to the variable first. So we got to get rid of negative 3. Opposite of minus 3 or negative 3 is plus 3. Cancels, plus 3, bringing me to 10. 10 is the same as 2x. So we can imagine what x is right now, but let's just finish it out. 2 attached to x just means 2 times x. Inverse operations, opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we're just going to divide by 2, and we are left with our answer of 5. Now, don't stop there because it said points B and D are points of tangency. Find the value of x. Hey, we got that, it's 5. But it says as well as the length of AB. I want to know how long it is from there to there, point to point. Okay? Well, AB is 4x plus 7. 4x plus 7. Notice that where the x was, I replaced it with the value that I found x to be. So all I got to do is put a 5 in those parentheses. Now I'm multiplying 4 times 5, add in 7 to it, and we're going to get our answer of 20 plus 7. This distance here is 27 units long. How do we know that? We knew that 2 points of tangency meeting at a similar location, or at an exact location, these 2 distances have to be equal. That is a geometric theorem that you learn about in your geometry classes. Use a little bit of algebra to then solve the distance, and you will be just fine on your upcoming test.